Assalamu alaikum. This is your host Sayyid Abid Hussain. Today we are going to bring the next tip to enhance your self confidence. You must be remembering in the first of our series, as a first hint, we mentioned that the first thing and the foremost is that to recognize your strength. This is very important for anybody to develop or enhance his or her self confidence. So he or she must recognize his or her strength, the weak points, and so on and so forth. The second tip is that now you have to believe in yourself. Yes, this is the second tip. Viewers, remember, you have to believe in yourself, in your own capabilities. You might have noted in your surrounding, and it is a proven evidence that those who are more confident, they earn 15 to 20% more than those who struggle for their confidence. And it is also proven that whatever academic knowledge and degree you are having, unless or until you are having the suitable level of self confidence, you are not going to make a mark in today's society. So apart from financial benefit which are there, you are going to get once your self confidence is increased, you are going to have lot of other positive effect in your personal and professional life once you are improving your self confidence. So what are those things? I am going to touch upon four main things which you can really concentrate in order to gain more confidence in your life and to really doing believe in yourself. The first thing is that what you can do is you can always think about your past successes. You see, if you are struggling in your current situation, so instead of really getting frustrated with the situation, what one can do is he or she can think of his or her past successes. You must have been doing something great in the past. You must have been achieving something in the past. You must have done something great earlier. Those great things, those positive things, those successes you can remember in order for you to get motivation, in order to get that level of confidence which you can build and get more and more self confidence in your uh, future. The second of four items which I am going to tell you is the second one is that talk to yourself. You see, this is one of the very good tool you can use. Talk to yourself about positivity. Keep motivating yourself. You might have noticed some of the professional sports personalities. I still remember because I am a lover of game of cricket. I remember Australian fast bowler McGrath. He is one of the uh, fantastic fast bowlers cricket history uh, has seen. He has got a habit. You see, whenever any batsman, when he is bowling for Australia, if he has been hit for a boundary or a six, if you remember, if you might have watched him on a stadium or on the TV screen, you might have noticed that when he is going back to his run up, he is talking to himself. And that is one of the very important tool which somebody can use it. If you are struggling, if you are struggling to get confidence, think about yourself, talk to yourself, motivate yourself. No need, don't expect that somebody will come and motivate you. Don't expect from someone that who will come and inspire you. Motivate yourself, talk to yourself, as McGrath used to do. So he was talking that what did he do wrong, what he should do when he is coming and going to bowl the next time, what different he is going to do. So that kind of technique we have to use. This is the second point. The third point, in order to believe in yourself, is that don't let the fear stop you of doing anything. You see, this is normal, whenever we are trying to do something new. This is human psyche. We are always suspecting. We are always thinking whether we will be successful, whether we will be able to do, whether we will be able to complete it successfully or not. What will happen if I will do this next time around? So this kind of thing and this kind of fear and this kind of doubt are the one which is bringing our self-confidence down. So try yourself that this kind of fear is not stopping your efforts and your endeavors in your life. Whenever you feel this kind of thing, try to handle it. Remind yourself that this fear cannot stop me. Whatever I'm gonna do, I will do for sure. Why? Because it is good for me. It will bring success to me. So this is the third point. The last but not the least point related to the second tip, which is believe in yourself, is wherever you go for meeting, in the family, in your friend circle, anywhere, go with positive attitude. Dear viewers, nowadays we see on the media, on our friend circle, on our family gathering, that there are a lot of negative attitude. There are a lot of negativity around. What you can do in order to enhance your confidence level, what you can do in order to believe in yourself, is to maintain the positive attitude. Please remember that positive attitude generates the energy. It sparks within you something that will help and boost your level of confidence. And that's what you are looking forward to. So viewers, these were 2 cents from your favorite channel, HB Academy. My name is Syed Abid Hussaini. I am always at your service in order to give you some hints and tips for your personal and your professional development. So today we talk about how somebody can believe in themselves, and that is what is second tip in order to increase your self-confidence. So dear viewers, please keep watching your favorite channel, HB Academy. This channel is completely dedicated for you, for your personal and professional development. Please do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet this channel. Why not you hit the bell icon so you will never miss any of our future videos. Please do share and comment. Do share this one to your friends and your family member, just in order that as it is benefiting you, it may benefit your nears and dears. So until next time, please keep watching our next video. We will be coming back for the third tip, how to improve and enhance the self confidence. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.